Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Right in front of us is one very large merger. This is a 6-lane Hot Wheels track merger down into the NASCAR Adventure Force track. How about that? How good does this look? This has taken 30 something hours to print out, and we finally have a finished version. This track piece comes in 2 parts. I've just got it sitting here at the moment, and it's connected by, obviously, you know, hot car track connectors. There's 2 there. There's obviously 6 here, and there's 2 here that will go into your NASCAR track. This is a finished product now. This will be available in black, grey, and orange. And pricing I've yet to put up on Etsy and eBay, along with shipping. This is a custom built piece. I don't have these in stock, so if you want one, you have to obviously order one, and then I print it out, so you have to give me a couple of days with making these. It is a very nice piece if you need to get from your 6-lane into a NASCAR track. There have been some complications with getting this to work. One is I couldn't get this to join to the actual 6-lane, so you have to connect it via some more Hot Wheels orange track or yellow track or whatever, and actually getting it to line up has been very difficult. However, we've got it the best as we can get it, and the great thing about this is, because it comes with, it's got 6 holes, obviously, where it connects into the track. You can therefore use 1 lane or 2 lane or 4 lanes or 5 lanes, however you want. So, you know, it's a bit of a versatile merger to be able to get from any number of lanes up to 6 into the NASCAR. Okay, so I'll have more details possibly in the next day or 2 with pricing and all that sort of stuff and how it goes together. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Cheers.